everyone. So, AI isn't coming, it's already here. And I think it's transforming how we create, how we design today. So, it's not about replacing artists, it's more like unleashing new kinds of creativity. And in the next 6 minutes, I'm Petar Stoyanov, and I'll show you how I use AI to experiment and create. I'm an architect by training, a CG artist by trade, and an AI filmmaker by obsession. Also, I have a band. We are called Orenda, and we make Bulgarian folk music with heavy distortion, heavy metal. So at an early age, I was obsessed with stories. From listening to my favorite artists and singing to their songs to building with toy blocks with my father. Storytelling was always there, but I just didn't know how to express it, what were the tools. Architecture gave me and taught me about discipline and structure. It taught me also how to think in systems like light, shadows, function, scale. And overall, it's a great thing to learn how to express visually things in your head. But then I shifted to architectural visualization. I started to create entire reality smooths with CG softwares, from my first render of the Burj Al Arab in Dubai to a residential building in Sofia for my own clients. Then AI disrupted everything, and I started experimenting with some prompts like Nazgul riders riding to heaven or Voldemort on a magical carpet. It was ridiculous, surreal, but at a certain time it was something new and unleashed some very interesting possibilities to create. Then I shifted towards video creation with AI. This is my first video with AI. It's about Halloween. It was 2 years ago. I started experimenting with different concepts like car commercials, music videos, etc. And then I started collaborating with other artists from Bulgaria. This one is called Lutenica. She's a DJ and a beat producer. And this was the moment that I realized that AI is like a dialogue. It throws something at you, and it's your task to respond, refine, remix it. I started creating videos for my own band, Orenda. This is our mascot, the cooker. I trained the whole AI model on the cooker costume. And this is Lutenica, she was part of this AI video. And then I got an inquiry from a very interesting, legendary Bulgarian grunge band called Stoyanov to create an AI video for their newest single. The style was inspired by Tim Burton, and it really matched the vibe of the song. It was very successful social media, and then one day I got an email from a representative of Soft Uni, and basically we created a webinar for AI filmmaking. And at this time I decided to test myself with a Nike commercial for the webinar. This is one of the latest ones. It's called Deal. I created in August for the Blagoevgrad Short Film Festival, and last Saturday I won an award by the Creative Institute for Happiness. And the event was fun. This is my latest video. Thank you. It's called Welcome to Bulgaria. It's also an AI video competition for the Dor Brothers Studio, which is one of the biggest AI studios in the world right now. And every time I create something with AI, it's like benchmarking and testing the possibilities of the tools right now. And I use a lot of tools to create visually, for audio, like you can see some of the ChatGPT and the Sora, Midjourney for images, Leonardo as well, Runway, Kling, Vio, which is the Google one for video, 11 Labs and Sumo are for audio. And basically, you have things that are not very creative with AI, and that's when ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and then come to help you with automation for briefs, research, and other tasks, which is very cool. Also, I use pretty normal software and tools like Pinterest and Cosmos and YouTube for finding some reference, inspiration for my videos. The Adobe software and DaVinci Resolve for editing and selling the whole project together. And the other one is called PureRef. And basically, AI can output countless content, endless content, and without the human in the loop, it doesn't know what matters. It doesn't know why and what should put in the image. And here we have, as you know, some AI ethical problems, like the AI slop, for instance. I think it's attention pollution on social media. It's more about the noise and less about the creation. And I think should be regulated by the government. Also, what I see and what's my guess for the future, that we'll have platforms like the Netflix AI or the Spotify AI, where you can generate an entire movie or songs and playlists in seconds with yourself and your story in it. And if this all resonated with you, you can scan the QR code. You can find me on social media like LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, etc. And also you can see some of my projects on Behance. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.